Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to verify your phone number on Discord to improve your account security and unlock additional features. This helps protect your account and gives you better access to servers. On your Discord dashboard, we will go to your account settings. To do this, we just need to click the user settings icon in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we are here, we will click phone number under your account. Now, we just enter our phone number in the field provided. After entering the number, we will click Send to verify. Once we receive the verification code, we will enter the code here and our account will be verified. And that's all there is to it. That's how we verify a phone number on Discord. With our number verified, the account will be more secure and fully functional.